Here is Tuesday's learning. You're going to go into your Google Classroom. You're going to find Daily Learning Plans Week 10, and you're going to be on Tuesday's checklist. Please do your check-in, watch my morning message video, say your Pledge of Allegiance. Then you're going to watch a mini lesson talking about letter writing. You're going to write a letter of welcome to a student in Miss Milton's class next year. Give them information about the teacher, about activities, and what they will learn. Give them some advice for how they can make their school year a success. When you're finished with that, make sure that you upload the document to Google Classroom. Then you're going to create a data display. So same thing as you did yesterday, but this time it's going to be something different, a different display using different items. Again, here are some activities that you can do or not. Don't forget to create a sentence asking a question about it and upload that. There's also some examples. So try to do a different display than you did today. After that, you're going to choose 1 to 2 items from the 1323 hour choice board. And then last but not least, you're going to join me for a Zoom meeting at 1:30. The link is in Google Classroom. That is your Tuesday's learning.